Okay, see, today I am going to teach you one story regarding dog and Amit. Dog and Amit. Okay, baby? See, Amit and a dog. Okay, baby? Based on the story, you have to answer the ERP worksheets. Okay, baby? See, before that, everyone take your ERP worksheet with pencils. Everyone look at this worksheet. Okay, you get it from your workbook. Okay, baby? Okay, everyone is get ready. Come on. See, who's this the boy name? Who's the boy name? Amit. And who's this? Who's this baby? Dog. Okay, see, this Amit is loved animals. Okay, he is help the animals when they need help. Okay, one day this Amit was returning from the school. Okay, then one dog is sitting on the roadside. Okay, then Amit saw the puppy. Puppy looked like very sad. Okay, puppy looked like very sad and hungry. But Amit loved animals, right? He helped all animals when they needed help, right? Yes, then he decided now puppy wants a help. I'm right? Yes, why? Puppy is very sad and hungry, right? Yes, then Amit is go and take the dog. Okay, go and pick up the dog and come back him home. Okay, then mother saw the puppy. The mother told to Amit, Amit, give a bath for the dog. Okay, then Amit take a cup of water and tie the puppy. Okay. Okay, give a bath for the dog. Okay, see, everyone look at this. What mother told? Mother told to give a bath for the dog. Correct? Bath for the puppy. Amit give a bath for the puppy and dried the puppy with a towel. Okay. Then after Amit told puppy, you are looking, see now puppy, you are looking very cute. I will call you as a Pip. Everyone has name, right? See, my name is Divya, like this. You have a names, right? Like this. Amit called puppy as a Pip. Mommy, Amit called the puppy as a Pip. Puppy, you are looking very cute now. Okay. Okay. See, now everyone look at these questions. Filling the blanks to answer the questions. Okay, what do you want to do in this ERP worksheet? See, you have to read this question and you have to answer these questions. Okay, baby? Everyone look at this. What does Amit to do? Keep it clean. Everyone look at this. What does Amit do? Keep it clean. Who's the Pip over here? Who's the Pip? Yes, puppy is a Pip. Okay, what's the name of the puppy? Pip. Okay, Pip want to be clean. What action Amit want to do? What action Amit want to do? Yes, he want to give a bath for him. He want to give a bath. What do you want to do? Bath. Okay, baby. What do he want to do? Bath. See, they giving space for the first letter. Okay, what is the action over here? Bath. See, everyone look at the letters. J. What the sound of letter J? J. What the sound of letter S? Come on, tell me. S. What is this letter? B. What the sound of letter B? B. Correct? So, what action I told? What action ma'am told? Bath. So, what letter should come over here? Bath. What letter, baby? What letter should come over here? Yes, bath. What letter? B. So you have to write B over here. Bath. Bath. Okay. See, he take the puppy, bring him home, and then he give a bath for him. Okay. Then what do you want to do? See, look at this. Everyone look at this. Then how the puppy is now? Very clean and neat and tidy, right? Yes. Then obviously pup is hungry, right? Yes. So mother called Amit him for the kitchen. Amit, you give some food for the Pip. Okay, Pip is very hungry now. Okay, what he going to do for the Pip? What? Yes, he going to feed the Pip. He going to feed the Pip. Okay, see, you have to look at this one. You have to look at this one. See, everyone read the question. Pip is hungry. I am right. See, after take the bath, everyone feel hungry, right? Like this, Pip also now is hungry. Okay, what should Amit do? Pip is hungry means what should Amit do? What do you want to do? Yes, we need to feed Pip, right? We need to feed Pip. See, look at this picture. What action he is doing? What action? Yes, he is feed. What action he is doing? He is feed the Pip. He is feed the Pip. See, everyone look at this. What is the letter? G. Can you make the sound for G? G. G. What is the letter? U. What is the sound of letter U? A. 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 What is this letter? F. What is the sound of letter F? F. What action I did right now? What action I told you right now? Feed. 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 What letter should I write over here? What letter? Come on. It's a G, or I need to write U or F. Feed. Feed. What letter should I write here? Yes, correct. Exactly. What I need to write? Capital F. Okay. F for feed. Okay, baby. Then, okay, next. Okay, look at this, baby. Who's our house god? Who's our house god? Who's our house god? Dogs are our house god, right? See, Amit told to Pippi, you hereafter you should be our house god. You should take care of our house. Okay, like this he told to Puppy. Then puppy is making the sound bark. What sound dogs makes? Bark, bark, bark. How the dog make the sound? Oh, look, like this they told, right? Okay, what sound? What they are doing? Barks. What they are doing? Barks. Okay, baby. Okay, see, everyone look at this. Pip is barking. Okay, the dog is a house god means if some new person enter your house, how they do? How the dogs make the sound? Barking, right? Then what will Amit do? If the Pip is barking, what will Amit do, baby? What will Amit do? Yes, he want to pat him. See, look at this. You want to pat him with the hands. Okay, baby? See? See, look at this. See, Amit want to pat the dog. See, Amit want to pat the dog head and body. The dog is barking means we want to pat the dog. What do you want to do? The dog is barking means we want to, in the hands, we want to pat the dog. We want to pat the dog. Okay? What action he is doing here? What action? Yes, he is taking the hands and he have to make a pat. Pat on his head. What action he is doing? Pat. Pat. Pat means we are touching our dog's head. Okay. Then lightly we have to massage on the dog's head. That is called as pat. Okay. Everyone look at this letter. What the sound of letter D? D, D, D. What the sound of letter R? R, R, R. What the sound of letter P? P, P. Okay. So what action Amit do now? Pat. Pat. So what letter I should write here? Come on. P, P, pat. P, P, pat. Okay, baby. Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear? Then see, everyone look at this picture. After Amit pat the Pip, then Pip what do you do? If you are pat the animals, see, then animals lick the face. Animals lick the Amit face. Amit is laughing. Okay. What action is the dog is doing? Pip is doing? Lick the Amit face. Okay. What action? Lick. Lick. Look at these letters. K. What the sound of letter K? K. K. What the sound of letter L? L. L. What the sound of letter G? G. G. What action Pip is doing right now? Look at this tongue. See, the tongue is touching on the face. What is this action? This is called as lick. Lick. So, what letters should I write over here? Yes, lick. Lick. Okay, baby. Everyone is understand this ERP worksheet? Then, see, Amit and Pip all together, they make a lot of fun. Okay, they play lot of things in their home. Okay, see, all the kids, you should also take care of the animals. Okay, you should not tease any animals. Okay, you have to do some help when the animals need. Okay, the animals cannot speak, right? So while seeing, if any animal is hurted or they want any help you want to do. Okay, baby. So you have to give some food for the birds and animals also. Okay, see, hereafter you have to put some rice for the crow. Okay, baby. You have to give some rice and water for the crow, and you have to some wheat for the pigeons also. Okay, baby. Everyone is clear?